It's Bill with another quickie tutorial. Today I was going to do Google Drive on an Android device, but it's also the same, virtually the same, on an iPad. Google Drive and the ilk, SkyDrive, I've got this one here called Mega Drive, they're all cloud computing. So it's storing your data online up in the cloud. I mean, I know there's security issues, but I'm not too worried about that. So basically, to use Google Drive, or like that one there, Mega, you just download the app from Google Store, Google Play, or the iPad Store. You then click on the drive, and with an Android device, you're already hopefully logged in, so you just go straight to your my main drive. If I want to go to my other drives, it's a matter of clicking on there and I can change to the several drives that I've got access to. So that's all you do. So there's all your folders. So basically, if you want to do anything, you click on the plus, you can create a folder, create a document, spreadsheet, because as I say, Google Drive also incorporates Google Docs, which is an advantage over SkyDrive and most of the other ones, so that if I'm at a meeting or a location and I suddenly want to write a little note or even a large note to myself, especially on my phone, it's more convenient to log on to Google Drive, open a document or a spreadsheet, and actually do it there and then. And then once I've saved it, then I know where it is, because it's nothing like the next day or weeks later trying to decide which device I used and where is that document. So you can also upload from here. You can search, you can change the layout, and here you've got more options. But rather than do it from here on an Android device, I'm not sure about iPad, but it's probably a similar program. I actually use a program called Astro File Manager. So you can go to the store and download that. There's a free version and a paid version. Because the advantage with Astro File Manager is it gives me access to all my SD cards, all my drives, USB drives, even a network drive, and all my other SkyDrive, etc. So you just got to log into them all, and then you can copy. So for instance, if I go to my external SD card, if I go to Docs, so that's a PDF file. If I hold the button down, I've then got options as far as find the properties, sharing it. If I do a multi, which is when the screen is multi, you can click on several, you can zip them, or down here you can copy, move, delete, rename, etc. So I want to copy this one, so this is copying it from my external SD card, and I'll go to my main Google Drive, select the folder, and then down here I can just paste that. So it's now pasting from my tablet up onto one of my Google Drives. So I find this is a much more convenient way of doing it, because you can copy between my computers or my tablets and drives. I can copy between drives. So we're looking at now that if I want to copy a file, if I just hold the button down, and then again I get the option of copy move, so I can copy it there. This is my SkyDrive with Microsoft. I mean, you can even copy a photo, etc., straight up to Facebook. So I can go to Documents on my SkyDrive. So I'm copying between Google, one of my Google Drives, and my SkyDrive. Whoopie-doo, all via the internet. So that's how convenient it is for me. So if I move locations, I don't have to remember which device I'm on. I just know I've got to go to one of my cloud drives. So I haven't got a very fast internet, but normally that would just transfer. There it goes. So it allows me to have several drives. Some are mine, some are on behalf of, like Huntly SeniorNet, a couple of societies I belong to. So you can say copy, view, rename, delete, all from there. So that's great.